Specific immunologic defense. For the introduction, specific immunologic defense, also known as adaptive immunity, a specialized immune system function that recognize and target specific pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. Two main arms of this system are called cell-mediated immunity, where T cells directly attack infected cells, and antibody-mediated immunity, where B cells produce antibodies to neutralize pathogens. There are two types of specific immunity. Number one is the natural immune responses that exist without a prior exposure to an immunologically active substance, genetically acquired immunity. Number two is acquired, also known as adaptive immunity. It is a specific learned defense against pathogens and foreign substance that develops over time through exposure, whether from infection or vaccination. Classification of acquired immunity. Active immunity, antibodies are produced by the body in response to infection, duration long. Natural, antibodies are formed in response of active infection of the body, results from a disease and recovering successfully, duration lifelong. Artificial, antigens are administered to the person to stimulate antibody production covered by immunization. Duration, many years, the immunity must be reinforced by boosters. Passive immunity. Antibodies are produced from other sources such as animals and human. Duration short. Natural. Antibodies are transferred normally from an immune mother to her baby through the placenta or colostrum. Duration 6 months to 1 year. Artificial immune serum antibody is injected. Example is anti-tetanus. Duration is 1 year to 6 months. Mechanism of specific immune response. Humoral immune response is a part of the adaptive immune system that uses antibodies to neutralize and eliminate extracellular pathogens such as bacteria. It is mediated by B cells which mature cell into antibody secreting plasma cells. Antibodies and their function. Immunoglobulin IM function provides an early immune response, activates the complement system. Immunoglobulin G neutralizes microbial toxins and has antiviral and some antibacterial action. Immunoglobulin A, also found in tears, saliva, sweat, colostrum, and breast milk, produced later in the immune response, acts as protective barrier against microorganisms at several points or entrance. Immunoglobulin D, normally present only in minute concentration in blood, found in the lymphocyte surface. Exact function is unknown, may have role in activating B cells. Immunoglobulin E, normally present only in minute concentration in the blood, responds primarily to allergic and parasitic infection. Cellular immune response or cell-mediated immunity is part of the immune system that uses primarily T cells, to direct, target, and destroy infected host cells, such as those infected by virus or cancer cells. It also activates other cells to eliminate pathogens, working in conjunction with innate immune cells like natural killer cell and responding to antigen by releasing cytokines. The main groups of T cells are helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells, regulator T cells, and memory T cells. Helper T cells or straight immune responses. Cytotoxic T cells directly kill infected cells. Regulator T cells suppress the immune system, and the memory T cells provide long-lasting immunity against specific pathogens. Stages of specific immune response. Recognition stage. This initial recognition step triggers the subsequent activation and mobilization of the immune cells to eliminate the threat. Involves the immune system identifying foreign invaders by distinguishing them from the body's own cell. Proliferation stage. Lymphocyte containing the antigenic message returns to nearest lymph node. Once in the node, lymphocyte simulates dormant T and B cells to enlarge and divide and proliferate. Response stage. Stage when humoral and cellular immune response takes place. Cytotoxin, T cells, and antibodies are released in the bloodstream. Effector stage is the phase of the immune response where active immune cells perform their function to directly eliminate pathogens and foreign substance.